Welcome to day 27. Let's get started. Just our step jack. Just to begin, really add a nice twist to it today. Just want to get the bodies warm and limber. Be a little stronger, a little lighter, more prepared to take on today's challenges with just a little morning or afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. Light movement. Really stretch here. Get warmed up so we can take on a few functional fitness exercises. So we'll carry our groceries a little more ease. We'll climb up the stairs a little stronger. Maybe even deal with a difficult person with a little bit more patience. Yeah, really can reach the leg out a little further. Get a little bit more stretch in the legs. Yeah. All right. Shake that out. Let's just move a little bit. Just want to get the body warm, but use the entirety of your body. Arms are swinging. Bring all your attention into this moment too. I like to think of these as opportunities for mindful movement. We can bundle things. Got busy lives. How many things can we attach to one? We can get the body warmed up, energized, mood elevated. Also, practice our attention and focus. Be here now. Really swing your arms. If you're just standing one place, that's perfectly fine. Lateral movement is nice. Also, maybe pick up the pace, your feet. Get the heart rate up. Let's get the blood pumping through our bodies. Because blood flows, it doesn't really pump. The heart pumps. We'll be all right. It's early, right? We use this movement, get our minds more focused as well. Oh, there's so many good things that just come from simple movements. Okay, shake that out. We got our chair again today. If you have a chair and you can use it, great. We're just gonna do these steps again. So yesterday we were just sort of stepping up. Now I'd like to step, hold, and twist. Other side. If you don't have a chair and you're just here, you just step and twist, perfectly fine. Just get it up there, really, yeah. Continue to build mobility. Just getting our leg way up there. Arms all the way up. Just find your flow. Two more. Oh, yes, that feels good. Yes? So, with our chair again, we're doing some planks yesterday. So, you can be at the top of the chair, on the chair here. You can come to the floor and just hold in a plank just for a few moments here. So, if you're on the floor, great. Stay there. I can be here on my chair as well. Just try to keep your butt down. Don't arch up. Want to be as flat as possible and engage your core. Obviously, also, just stay where you're at. Hold that plank. We can be here as well. Modify. Do what works best for you. And just Hold this as flat as you can and just notice the core. You could start to tremble possibly. Good. Stick with it. Yeah. Step in and see if you can't come. So if you're on the floor, come on up. And hold here for a moment. Flat back. Just stretching out that lower back, your shoulders, your arms. If you don't have a chair available, just stand. Arms. You can bend the knees a bit. So the chair's great. It's not necessary. It sort of changes the dynamic of what we're doing. But it's all good. It's all functional training. And let's shake that out a bit. I'm going to move this. Okay, let's move a little bit. If you can, we're just going to shuffle and a tiny squat. If this movement doesn't work for you, you can just side to side. If you can get just a bit of a knee bend, this is our pump, our legs. This is what we want to strengthen. It's going to get us up the stairs, get us for nice long walks through the woods. Just get more out of life. And again, find a nice flow. Got one day to go after this in our challenge. Built quite the consistency, quite the discipline. And some considerable strength, mobility, flexibility, endurance along the way. Happy days to us. A couple more. Okay, legs feeling a little tired, presumably. So let's amp it up here. If you can, feet together. And we're just going to come into this chair posture. Sit back for a moment. You can raise the arms if you like. You can be in prayer. How deep can you get? And just hold that. Ooh, heating the body up nicely. So, back as straight as possible. I would love mine to be back a bit, but this is where it is. And now, forward fold. Bend your knees if you like. Touch the ground if you can. Oh, yeah. Just be here for a moment. If you're here, that's great. If you're here, that's great. Find your edge. Go beyond. Let the head fall. And rise up. Oh, head. A little lightheaded maybe. Last exercise for today. Short and sweet. Hopefully we warmed up the body, feeling a little more energized. So yesterday we were doing a step back with a row. Step back, row, twist. So balance, step back, arms up, row, and twist. Step back, row, twist. Oh, see, forgot my own. Row, and then twist. Find your flow. Step back, row. Catch yourself, balance. twist. Whoa, yep, catch yourself. Keep your arms up nice and high. Shoulder, elbows up. Twist. Last one. As good as you can do it. Arms up. Row and twist. Up. Shake that out. Well done. Oh, that feels good today. Feels good every day. Oh, movement over medicine. Okay. Just bring all your attention here for just 1 minute. My minutes seem to go a lot longer than 1 minute. I love these moments of stillness. But let's keep it to a minute today. Just be here now. Just direct your attention onto your breath. One breath can make all the difference from reacting and usually overreacting to responding with clarity, patience. Every time the mind wanders, you just bring it back. Oh, my mind is just doing what the mind does. It's wandering off and generating thoughts. That's not me. I'm just a witness of that. I bring my attention back to the breath. Come back, shake it out. Go have the greatest day. Be productive. Be positive. And bring some joy into the world. I will see you tomorrow for our last day of this challenge. Goodbye.